I dropped by at Gucci store today to check one of their latest bag, and this is the Gucci Paparazzo bag, and this is in medium size, made of leather. They also have another one which is made of canvas. I like it, but the price is more than 200,000 pesos.
Isiklian ko pa yan for
This is
you.
very
Hindi pa yan ang pinakamaigli,
costly. So
ma'am.
here,
Hindi pa ba?
my
Hindi pa, ma'am.
SA
Ma'am,
is
nagtira pa ako ng tatlo.
Try it.
Apat na. Siguro kasi ma'am, mas malambot siya. So kahit malaki.
Pag malaki, no? Ito yung large.
Yes. Ma'am, okay din siya sa'yo. If you're gonna ask me.
Pag naka-flat, no? Pag nakaganyan,
Pag nakaganyan. Pero ma'am, try nating i-close. Kasi ma'am, konti na lang magiging difference nito kapag... Kasi ma'am, mas for me ha, mas ano to?
hindi, kaso canvas.
Ayaw mo nang, gusto mo mag-leather.
Gusto ko leather. Parang mas maganda yung kanina, yung slouch siya.
Ay, hindi ma'am. Okay talaga to ma'am.
No?
Apo.